Welcome back, race fans, to another family ripping race. This is our Halloween spooktacular. Tonight, we're going to be racing the Kroger Nightmare Before Christmas cars. First up, picking, we have Nitro Boy.
Of course, going with the
Picking the Jack
Street Creeper.
Street Creeper. Next up, we have Grease Monkey.
He lost his son.
Sporting her Nightmare Before Christmas stuff.
He lost his.
She's going with the Oogie Boogie van. The Queen. She uses the Cockney car. And let's see. I'm going to go with Cool Wood. Alright, second selection. Nitro Boy.
This one, the Quick and Sick.
Quick and Sick.
I don't know what that character's name
This
is.
monkey.
Mom, you want salad, so I take the doctor.
The Midnight Auto with the Doctor.
What a friend.
Queen's taking custom 69 Volkswagen Squareback with Sally. And I guess I will have Santa, who may not fit on the track.
Aw.
Sorry, Banjo, no cars for you today.
Oh, there's so many.
Leave, that's fine.
We're only using tracks 1 through 4 today.
Let's take a look at our track today. Got our little skull towers. Got the Tower of the Black Wizard. Some skulls and monsters.
Nerd.
Idol. There's the Tower of the Gray Wizard. He's not as bad as the Black Wizard, but he's still kind of a jerk. Mighty Cthulhu.
It's just a dick.
Baba Yaga's hut.
Hee.
Spooky Mausoleum. The Cave of Death. And a great big spooky graveyard with zombies.
It's not spooky, it's spoopy.
Frankenstein.
And the glasses.
Ghosts. Pumpkin King. Vampire. A giant skeleton. And our finish line. Alright. So, once again, we've got Nitro Boy lane 1, Goose Monkey lane 2, the Queen lane 3, me in lane 4. On your marks, get set, go! Oh, we're gonna have to redo that one.
I fell right off.
The Queen's finger hit the thing at the start. Try it again.
Alright.
Pretty sure Oogie Boogie's still gonna win, but on the marks, get set, go. Ooh, it's pretty close. Ooh, we had a little hookup in lane 1 there. Not sure what happened.
I demand a rematch.
But Oogie Boogie takes the first race.
Stupid Oogie Boogie. Why did the main character of the movie win? Because that's not the main character.
You just rotate them all over one, that's the easiest.
Okay.
Alright. It's Tom Mime in lane 1, Nitro Boy lane 2, Grease Monkey lane 3, Queen lane 4. Grease Monkey wins this one. We'll move on to the next set of cars. On your marks. Get set. Go. Yep.
Man,
Oogie Boogie man.
Wouldn't it be funny if the Oogie Boogie won?
Moves on to the second round.
Opening race. Mine. Wait, no! Where'd mine go? Dang it, why do you ruin everything, Mom?
She gave birth to you. Be kind.
Thank you for that.
Yes.
Appreciate that.
Jeez, Mom.
Natural Boy lane 1, Grease Monkey lane 2, Queen lane 3, and we'll see if
We
they
can ever get this car out of the
get this
box.
car open, if it will even fit, which I don't think it's going to.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it'll fit.
No. Oh, maybe.
It,
I don't know.
Let me see.
it fits.
Just put it in lane 1.
Yeah, so it doesn't rub against the starter.
All right. So now I'm in lane 1, Natural Boy lane 4.
If it fits, it ships.
On your marks. Get set. Go. Wow. Grease Monkey again?
Wow. This is gonna be great.
I didn't even make it through the finish line.
Dang it, why do your 2 best cards suck so much? Why can't we have one for the race though?
All right. Grease Monkey lane 1, me lane 2, Queen lane 3.
Hey, I think I was already in lane 3.
Oh, there you go.
And
Natural Boy lane 3, Queen lane 4.
all right.
On your marks. That's it. Go. And
Sick.
Grease Monkey sweeps both races. That puts her
2 best cards suck.
tied with Nitro Boy
Nice.
Do you want to fight me?
I do.
and me in last place.
Ha ha.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching our Halloween special. We'll see you tomorrow for the next daily race.